Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Volvo V40 R Design. This car comes with a 2-litre diesel turbo engine and a manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to an incredible 78 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 17, and the car has free road tax each year. The mileage is just over 34,000 miles, and the car would have had 8 services during its life. This particular colour is called Power Blue and looks in really good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, you've got the sports seats there with the half leather and suede, which look really supportive. On the dashboard, you've got your DAB radio and climate controls below, as well as cruise control there on the steering wheel, and automatic headlights on the right hand side. And the driver has the digital cockpit there in the centre, which I think looks really smart. As we open the rear doors, the rear bench has three individual seat belts, and rear passengers have pockets in the back of the front seats as well. And open the tailgate on the V40, you've got the really good sized boot there, nice and square, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And underneath the boot floor, the first owner chose the £150 option of this spare wheel rather than the tyre inflator, so that's good to see. They also chose the £850 Park Assist Pilot, which will help with the parking. And this car also has the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, the twin exhaust pipes coming out the back, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance which is 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.